I'm Stin Mander and I'm out here. Holy cow! It's our last day at Jasper and it's completely storming. We just had the best barbecue dinner ever. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's like coming down like an inch an hour, that kind of coming down. It's like storming, thunder, lightning. I'm standing out here, it's not particularly cold. It's maybe about 65 degrees. And as you can see, all our stuff is all huddled underneath. Wow, thunder and lightning, very, very frightening. Galileo, Galileo, Figaro. Anyway, last day at Jasper. Holy cow, it's completely chucking down. I'm Stin Mander, and I'm out here in front of our trailer at Jasper. Listen to this rain. I'm really glad that I put the awning up. We just had a great barbecue meal moments ago. I'm completely dry as a bone. As you can see, I'm nice and dry. And there's the family. Hey, family.
My nose is still private.
no end of our camping trip. Campfire for us. Wow, this just started, I'm telling you. This just started. Obviously, I put the picnic table here underneath the awning. Here's all our chairs all piled up. There's the lonely barbecue with all the wood that my 10-year-old so kindly chopped. But anyway. I'm Stin Mander and I'm out here, nice and dry, in a rainstorm in Jasper in Canada. Holy cow! Listen to that rain.